welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive, negative today, and has also closed below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a negative sign for the markets. Now I'll be expecting these levels to come in, which would be close to 55.50, which is also 61% retracement of this entire rise here, and also the level where this downward sloping trend line meets the 55.50 level. So it's a very crucial level now for the markets. We've also closed below 20 and 40 weekly moving average, which is again a very negative sign for the markets. The momentum indicator is already in the sell side, so and markets has been forming lower top, lower bottom, very negative for the markets. The next level to watch out would be around 55.50. On the hourly charts, this head and shoulder pattern has broken on the downside, and the momentum indicator is in the sell side. So the strategy should be to sell on rise. The next level on the hourly charts would be the previous swing low, which is around 56.70 levels. And the resistance would be around 5800, which was a very crucial support just days before, and the second resistance would be around 5850. Bank Nifty has also broken this head and shoulder pattern on the downside, closing below 20 and 40 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is already in the sell side, so retracing this entire rally, and the next level to watch out would be around 9300. Which is a very negative sign for the markets. Andhra Bank, we've made a small change here. We used to give stocks from top 50 in Nifty basket, and but now what we have done is, the change is that we have started taking stocks from the future side, all 152 stocks, and giving calls on these stocks. Every day we'll give you two calls, momentum calls, to be very specific, momentum calls every day to end of day, which will be highlighted in this conference as well as in the eagle eye, with charts, with stop loss, with target. But the CMP, the initial price, the price which you would initiate the trade would be in the morning around between 9:20 and 9:30. So that 10 minutes would be a bracket where you will initiate these calls. So today's call would be on, first call would be on Andhra Bank. This flag pattern has broken on the downside. A small triangular pattern has also broken on the downside on the hourly charts. It has taken resistance, faced resistance around 20 daily moving average, 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a very negative sign for the stock. And the momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so it's a very strong sell. Overall, even the Bank Nifty is looking negative. So stop loss would be around 54.40, and target would be around, first target would be around 48.80, and the second target would be around 47.10. Adani Enterprise also looking negative. These are all futures price, so keep very tight stop losses, because all the futures stock would be covered. These are some mid cap stocks, so in mid caps and small caps you need to keep your stop losses very tight. Adani Enterprise, a very high beta stock, keep the stop loss very tight. Around 147.50 would be the stop loss, and target would be around 135 and 127.70. That will be the target. A flag is expected to break on the downside. ABC corrective pattern facing resistance at 40 daily moving average, and also closing below 20 and 40 daily moving average. So it's a negative sign for the stock. Momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal, so I think it's a very strong short from these levels. Stop loss would be around 147.50, and target would be around 135 and 127.70. So overall, friends, things are looking good. Things are getting worse now, I think. Things are looking bad and things are getting worse now. going forward. I'll be expecting more negativity. The targets have extended to 55.50. We have achieved the first target of around 57.50. That was our initial target, but now today we have extended our target to 55.50, which is a 61% retracement of the entire rally which we saw from 5100 to 6100. So that's what the target is. If we close below 55.50, then the medium term outlook also goes negative, and we'll be expecting more downside. Thank you so much.